What is up guys, Janet this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set an alarm in Google Calendar. First off, head over to calendar.google.com or just simply write Google Calendar. And after that, double click on the date that you want to set the event to. So for example, on 6th of June, on Friday, I'll just simply double click here and then an event tab will be open. So just add the title for what you want to set an alarm to. Like I'll just keep it like this. I'll type lunch and from 2:30 to 3:30 in the time zone. And if you want to repeat it all day, you can check this here in the checkbox to repeat all day. And you can even add a location to add Google Meet video conferencing. You can turn on the notification or you can turn on it through the email. And after that, you will be able to select the event color like banana. And I'll just simply click basil, and then you can add the description and you can even modify the event as per your own wish. And after that, when you are done, just simply hit save. And there, as you can see, my alarm or my event has been set. And tomorrow it will remind me between 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. So this is how you can set an alarm in Google Calendar. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.